Yes.
Yeah, here we have read that unflinching faith in Krishna
Hmm.
and the cessation of all desires, which is not connected with service to Krishna.
Hmm.
These are the symptoms of Santarasa, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, so can we tell that the all the senior devotees
Hmm.
and Guru Maharaja and all other they are in Santaras, is it?
No, no, no. So Shantaras is the basic ras, the
Hmm.
first level of ras.
Hmm.
Shantaras. What they are trying to say is that the other rasas, they
Hmm.
are already inclusive of these qualities of Shantaras, but Shantaras does not have the qualities of the other rasas.
Acha, followed. But now I just want to know, suppose now we to now evaluate, examine ourselves where we are,
Hmm.
and that all the senior and pure devotees
Hmm.
of in our is a sampradaya, they are
Hmm.
at which level now, and we are at which level now?
No. So they are not at level 1. They are in Madhura Rati. They are
Acha.
they are all the personal servants of Srimati Radharani and all the Sakhis.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so they are actually in Madhura Rati, but we are not Sahajiyas, so we don't display any, we do not exhibit or display any symptoms. Our Guru Parampara, they do not display the symptoms, the ecstatic symptoms that we read yesterday and day before.
Yeah, yeah,
They
yeah.
never exhibit them, but if you just see, look at them closely. I was discussing that when Guru Maharaj, when he's saying Gauranga, just
Hmm.
by taking the name of Gauranga, or even if Guru Maharaj is not taking, but somebody in, standing away, okay, just takes the name of Gauranga, Guru Maharaj immediately looks that side because he is moved by the name. Just by listening to the name of Gauranga, Guru Maharaj goes into ecstasy. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
but he controls himself because he is in Madhurya Rati. He's constantly actually in service of Mahaprabhu. His the soul in the subtle form, externally what we are seeing Guru Maharaj is different. Internally, we do not see Guru Maharaj. We don't know where Guru Maharaj is, what service he is doing in the spiritual world. So, similarly, all our Guru Parampara. So they are in Madhurya Rati. None of them are in Shantaras. And in our case, Shantaras is the first stage. So we have faith in Krishna. That is why we have come. In fact, more importantly, we have faith in Srila Prabhupada. And because of that, we have come into this. Any instrument may have brought us. It may be X, Y, Z. Anybody may be the instrument. For Srila Prabhupada also, Naren was the instrument who never came into Krishna consciousness. So anybody can become the instrument, but it is actually Srila Prabhupada, it is actually our spiritual master, it is actually Krishna who has sent somebody in our life to bring us back to this path. So, and from there we have got the faith in Krishna that yes, Krishna is supreme God. Now we understand that. We don't have doubt in that. Now we don't have doubt that no, I don't believe Krishna. We are not in that stage anymore. So that is there. And cessation of material desires means what? That even now, even if we get such desires or even if we have any such desire, immediately we understand that no, this uh, whenever we hear the class, immediately we are reminded, no, I'm making a mistake. Or Krishna, I may have thought, but now you help me. So somewhere that is also there. If we see, we may not be in Shantaras. Not all devotees are in the same platform. This institution is like a hospital, so all the patients are coming, and every patient is in a different level. Some may have unflinching faith in Krishna. Some may come and after 2 years they may leave also. It all depends on the association. If our association is powerful, then we will, then it is very quickly we will go to Shantaras, and very quickly we will go from Shantaras to Dasyaras, that is serving, taking Krishna's name, chanting Krishna's name as service. Dasyarat ras. They are already serving. Doing any kind of puja seva. If we are offering tulsi leaf at the lotus feet of Krishna, that is that is in Dasyaras. We are in servitorship. We are serving devotional service. So Shantaras to Dasyaras. Then Dasyaras to next is Sakhyaras. So now all these all this can happen quickly only with strong association. So we cannot really tell that whether we are in Shantaras or whether we are in Dasyaras, we are doing here and there. Some days when we are in very powerful association, we may even go to once, it may just suddenly we feel that ecstatic feeling of Madhurya Ras also. It is possible. But we may again come back. So we are still not a devotee, we are practicing devotees. This is very important to understand that we are all practicing devotees and therefore we have to follow the instructions, whatever Guru Maharaj is saying. For a devotee, they have spontaneous love for Krishna. So they are being guided by Krishna constantly. Therefore, they are themselves the strong association for others. Actually, even in that state also, for example, Bharat Maharaj, he was in Bhav platform. Just above Bhav is Prem. So he had crossed Shraddha, then Sadhu Sangha, Anartha Nivriti, Bhajan Kriya, Anartha Nivriti, then Nishtha, then Ruchi, Asakti. All these stages were crossed and he had gone to Bhav. But from Bhav he fell down.
He came for the
From bhav he became, bhav means what, that one somebody is 100% attached only to Krishna,
Hmm.
and attached in such a way that just by the name of Krishna they are getting some ecstasy and some they are starting to cry. That is bhav. But from that stage he got attached to a deer. From attachment to Krishna he got attached to deer, so much so that that he left his devotional practice. So that is why we are just practicing devotees. So we always need association of strong devotees, powerful devotees.
Actually, this sentence, what I was reading the of all desires which are not connected with Krishna,
Hmm.
I will say that it would have been proper that all desire which is not connected with service to Krishna, because there is nothing which is not connected with Krishna in the world. Everything is Krishna only.
No, so service comes in the next stage of Shantaras. Shantaras, there is no service. So if you are just admire, if you are looking at the deity of Krishna and you are admiring and whole day you are doing that only, wow, so beautiful. Krishna's deity is so beautiful. That is Shantaras. Because you're not doing any active service. That is Shantaras. That you are admiring Krishna. You are so attracted to Krishna. That is Shantaras. Oh Krishna, you are doing everything. You are doing everything. So I'm not doing any active service, but I have full faith that Krishna is taking care of me.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes.
Is it
Okay.
is clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll stop here. One
Uh,
shakalpat. Huh? You have
Hello, Mataya. I have one more desire. Can I tell you frankly?
one more desire. Okay. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Desire from you. Let
Okay.
me tell you frankly. See that Ashok Prabhu sent me some of your this recording, beautiful bhajans, prayers, Narsimha Stov and everything. But somehow it got deleted from my phone and I don't have now. And I was passing my time very nicely, very sweetly onto hearing through this thing. Can I request you? Will you be able to send me one more all those things?
Yes.
Please. Huh?
Sure, sure, I will do that.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। श्री जय पताका स्वामी गुरु महाराज की जय। श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि
Very
बोल।
well.
हरी बोल।